everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1970 Plymouth Cuda, 2,000 miles on a complete Nut-N-Bolt Rotisserie Restoration that was just completed just a couple of years ago. Killer car, guys. Wait till you see the bottom of this thing. It's as nice as the top. Real BS VIN, so it's a real Cuda. It is a factory 3D3 4-speed car. It has a 69 date-coded 3D3 in it, so it's not matching numbers, but it does have the matching numbers 4-speed trans. Factory 836 performance axle package with the 355 sure grip. Factory color combination. This is the F8 green metallic with the black interior, and like I say, it is turn the key, take it right to a show, put mirrors underneath it. Gorgeous cars. A lot of times, you know, I tell guys, you know, I might put 4 or 5 miles on a car when I buy them, but this car, I'd probably put 50 miles on it. Drove it back to the hotel at night from the show, and then drove it back there the next day. Car drove outstanding. Love this car, man. You can see the chrome and stainless is new. It's got gorgeous paint. You can see how nice that grille is. It's not a car you're gonna nitpick, man. It is nice. It's got the sport hood. The fender mount turn signals work. Nice car. And it's got the correct hood pins. Again, look at all this stuff. Just a spider buzzing around there. Gorgeous car. Rear spoiler. This little water spoiler. Nice and straight down the sides. Got the Rallye wheels on it with all new Cooper Cobras. I think you said you put new quarters on it, and I think you put a new trunk pan in it. Matter of fact, super guy, just talked to him yesterday. He sold it so that he's gonna on the hunt for a little red express that he's gonna build, and I talked to him yesterday. He just found one. You can see it's got the Cuda rear valance, but he just emailed me a listing on everything that he did it and his cost, on what it cost him to build this car. Again, Rallye wheels, super slick paint, dual sport mirrors. It's got the front disc brakes. Killer car. Again, 69 date coded 3D3 in it. He's pumped it up a little bit, little cam to it. He had some head work done. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds, nothing crazy. Upgraded to electronic ignition. It's got the dual snorkel air cleaner on it. Manual steering, which I prefer in a 4-speed. I'll tell you, this thing drives great. I'm just not power steering on these cars, man. I feel like they're all over the road when you're shifting gears. Power disc brakes. Again, it does have the matching numbers, 4-speed manual transmission. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. There's your fender tag. I always take a photo of that. Nice car, man. Just a beautiful car. Paint's just slick. I think it took him 2 or 3 years to build this car. That's the toughest part, you know. Not only the expense, you know, if you can't do it yourself, you're talking about $150,000, $200,000 to build a car like this, and then waiting 2, 3 years, 4 years. All this stainless is really nice. New door handles. It's got all new interior in it. Again, it is a real Cuda. You can see how nice those door skins are. All new interior. It's got a remote driver's mirror, new carpet, new sill plates. I've got new Cuda mats on the way for it. Factory bucket seats. It's got the center console with the Hurst Pistol Grip shifter. Rallye dash 2102 on the odometer now. Everything in there worked except for the clock. It's got a factory AM radio with an FM converter, and it works. Blower motor worked, wipers worked. I don't think the reverse light in the dash was working. Dual exhaust. Again, 8 3/4, 355 sure grip rear end. Really nice, man. Jack with spares here in the trunk. That's a breakdown on your fender tag. Again, this is everything with everything that he did. He put a listing on it. I don't know how many pages it is, front and back. Pretty cool. Again, it's all body color in the rear, in the trunk here, like it should be. You know, even when he redid the quarters, they put the kind of insulation look on it so that it looks right, but he told me they put quarters on it, put a trunk pan on it, and did a really nice job. Fit and finish on the car is excellent, and look underneath there, man. Look how nice that car is. Again, take it to a car show and put mirrors underneath it. Missed a little dust there. Great car. Seats are nice. They're all repadded, refoamed. Dash is really nice. Steering wheel's nice. Dual sport mirrors. Just a little cam to it. It pulls hard too, guys. I ran it through the gears pretty good when I drove it, and it runs out strong. Is a good looking car. Turn signal maker. You can see that sun's right behind. All that stuff worked. All the lights and everything seem to be working. Tach works. See, all the gauges are working except for the clock. Parking brake does work. See how nice those doors close, especially on a Mopar to close like that. If you can see the lights. Sound. Yeah, you can hear the radio works. Blower motor works. See how nice those doors close. Just a killer car. Sorry guys, we had somebody come flying in here and block us in. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us. Bunch of new cars coming. So make sure you're watching the website. Pretty son of a gun right there, man. Looking for a nice Cuda, that one's going to be tough to beat. And again, drives outstanding. Good car. Have a great day, guys.